Hi, my name's Ken. That was weird.
It was weird, wasn't it?
You could have got a frilly shirt.
I could have, but they don't make them in men's sizes. So here we are at the stop sign.
I hate you. Hi, my name's Ken. Well, you can call me tonight. And this right here is a 2001 Chevrolet.
Hi, who are you? Listen, I don't know who you are, but this is my job. Skate.
I'm sorry.
Right.
You can go ahead.
Hi, I'm Christopher, and usually the guy behind the camera is Jake. I don't know who that was. Happy Halloween, everybody. This, to my immediate right, is a 2001 2500 HD Silverado. Under 50,000 miles on it. Oh, there's
Chris,
Jake.
Who's the weird guy walking that way?
I've never seen that much fringe on a human being ever. Anyway, let's move on, shall we? Let's look at this beautiful truck here. It's got a 6-inch lift. It's got a 6-liter V8. It has got under 50,000 miles. Tonneau cover. Did I mention the big tires? And how about this? Spray-on Bedliner. It's a 2001, but it's pretty heavily modified and tastefully modified at that. Let's get in this bad boy. You'll notice right away, as Cowboy Ken showed us, it's got a rail that just pops down, which is cool. It's also got Escalade gauges. Again, leather. It's got everything in it. Great truck. Happy Halloween, everyone. Why don't we take it for a spin, eh, Jake?
Sounds good.
All righty.
That was weird.
It was weird, wasn't it? Things are strange in this world, but let's just go drive and have a good time.
Sounds good to me. Let me extend my mirror for you.
Oh, I would appreciate it.
So you can actually see what you're looking at. I don't know, how many inches is this lift kit? Does it
6.
say? 6 inches, huh?
6-inch lift.
Man.
Seems like it's bigger. That's
well, it's a big enough truck as it is, let alone with a lift kit, so.
Yes.
That's probably why it seems so massive.
Got a lot of great stuff on it. You want windows up? Let's put the windows up.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice and warm in here with the windows up. We do have heat, AC, radio, everything you'd ever want.
Let me ask you something.
In a newer Chevy vehicle.
Seats?
But, oh, we do. They're on the door.
Oh yeah, heated seats.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna turn on my heated seat.
This pick 'em up truck
and
has everything.
if you liked these videos,
please like and subscribe.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you get notified every time we make one of these stupid things.
Yeah, don't you just love them? Especially the weird people that show up sometimes.
I don't know who that
AJ
weird Ken guy was, but
Cowboy Ken?
I enjoyed myself though.
Well, as long as you're happy. We're all happy.
You got your straw hat on, Huckleberry Finn.
You're darn right.
Over there in the driver's seat.
Darn
God,
right.
This thing drives good.
This is the driver's seat.
You know,
yes.
I've driven big lifted trucks before. They bounce you around. They're not very comfortable sometimes. This just drives like a normal truck, but it looks just way more badass.
Oh, it does. And with the Escalade gauge package, it's very nice.
Absolutely. Yeah, the Escalade gauges are cool, I will say. That's a nice upgrade feature of this thing.
Oh, yes. They did it right. They tastefully did.
Nice rumble from the 6-liter V8.
Yes.
Plenty of power, too.
Oh, yeah. More power than you need.
And tire size, do you know that off the top of your head?
Oh, I wouldn't even want to guess.
They look like 35s, maybe?
Can't fit them on my Honda, I know that.
No, they will not fit on either one of our Hondas. That is for sure. We got tow mirrors on either side that are extendable, it looks like. And ooh, I'm feeling my heated seat.
Yes.
It is coming on right now.
It's coming on strong.
We got plenty of heat down in my bum.
Well, these things happen.
My bum.
Oh, Cowboy Ken.
We got big old back seats.
Yes, big back seats
for real people, and they got cup holders that fold down if you don't have a third person back there.
Well, isn't that nice?
It is very nice.
Well.
We got some storage up here in the top of the cab.
Mm-hmm.
Some buttons for a garage door, some dome lights.
Map lights.
Map lights.
You gotta love a map light.
All good stuff. Everything in here is really good condition. I mean, 49,000 miles on a truck.
Yeah, that's great.
Nothing. That's absolutely nothing. These V8s go forever.
It's been driven. It's got plenty of power. 4x4.
4x4.
Lifted.
Is it a 4x4?
Sure is.
It's a Z71.
Oh, it is a Z71.
And Cowboy Ken would love this truck.
Cowboy Ken would, although I think he would have problems with all of his clothes.
Cowboy Ken drove a car, he would drive a big black truck like this, I think.
Well, as long as he's got clothes for his frilly little tops.
Oh, God.
That's all right, though. You do what you want, Ken. I mean, Jake.
Listen, this is my idea, and I'll fully accept it.
I'm not judging you. It's too late for that.
You could have got a frilly shirt.
I could have, but they don't make them in men's sizes. So here we are at the stop sign.
I hate you. No, they don't make them in fat sizes. Is the
How
problem.
dare you?
202 pounds. Does it have beans?
Oh, she's got beans galore. Sounds great too. Wow. Oh, I love the way it sounds. Honestly, it drives great. Drives like a man's truck.
It's getting warm. It's getting warm in here with the heat on and
Actually,
the heat seats on.
It's getting a little hot.
Might have to take this coat off and show off my frilly top.
Sure, that'd be great. That would be just wonder bar.
We're all ready to our spots.
That doesn't take very long when you
and
have a
look,
great truck.
the orange leaves that were here just last week are now completely gone because apparently Missouri decided that we're going to skip most of fall and just go straight to winter.
And they did. And they did.
Ready for a good old-fashioned startup?
Yippee! Let's do it.
Ooh, where are you going?
Well, if you think you are man enough, would you like to drive this truck?
Sure, I'll drive it back.